This day is so good.
I know, just having a catch. Just having a catch. Things gonna get any better.
These parts are mine.
Ah! Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Oh, he's so mean.
Yeah.
We should get him back.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's sneak up on him. Shh, 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 shh. There he is.
What are you doing, fool? Stop that! You're gonna flip it! You better not flip it!
Don't mess with us.